Hi, I'm John Ruther, owner of Northstar Motorsports in Barrington, Illinois. Today I'm standing in our new Motorsports Boutique, surrounded by great products, clothing items. But what I want to talk to you about now is this awesome line of motorsports socks. These come from Portugal and they replicate the liveries on Formula One cars, GT cars, and so on. So for example, this is a McLaren themed sock. We have Martini, we have UOP Shadow from those of you who can remember the Can-Am days, some original Gold Leaf Team Lotus colors, even a sock from Le Mans, which shows the racetrack and talks about all the corners. This is not all in a pair of socks. And we also have 4 packs of socks relating to, these are livery GT40s that ran at Le Mans. This is famous driver helmets, Jackie Stewart, Niki Lauda, Graham Hill, and James Hunt. Porsche patterns from 935s. These are from 911 RSs, and so on. So this company makes these awesome socks. They wear really well. They're made in Portugal, and they're beautiful, and they're terrific. So if you'd like to have some of these for Christmas, tell Santa about it. These are great. Come see us at Northstar Motorsports. Go to our website, northstarmotorsports.com, or give us a call.